Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at a fresh motorhome here on the lot. This is a 2016 Concord by Coachmen 300 TS. Beautiful 3-slide motorhome. Comes to us in great shape. You can see it's got full body paint on it, which we love. Really adds some nice style to it. You got some outside features we'll touch on here. And folks, please come in and take a look at this. With any motorhome, we do these videos. It's a little overview. We want you to see what it looks like, touch on a few features, but certainly come on in if you're interested. We'll walk you through it. So you've got the outside TV stereo system here. You've got a full-size awning that goes the length of the coach. Again, the nice body paint on it. You can see here from the rear window. Wait till you get in the bedroom and see that. Quite nice. Backup camera, fully walkable roof with the ladder to access for your maintenance needs. Let's take a look inside. Again, we got a 2016 Concord by Coachmen 300 TS. So opposing slides, right away you'll notice really opens things up in the main space. On this side, you've got a booth dinette that's going to drop down to create a bed space for you should you need some additional sleeping. Wraparound windows in there, nice accent lamp on the table as well. On this side, you've got a fold down couch, so really a nice layout for socializing, nice and comfortable. You can spread out a little bit in the coach if it's just the two of you. If you've got some extras along, certainly some room inside. Microwave under the 3-burner propane cooktop. You got a backsplash there to keep things nice and neat. A little bit of counter space to the side. Flip up counter to the other side of the sink. Got a 2-chamber sink with inserts there. Pop up plug in the corner. Your controls for your air conditioning and heating system there in the corner as well. Some storage above throughout, including the slide. Take a look at some of the cab features here now. Mostly when you see a C-Class, you've got an over cab bunk. In this case, the entertainment center is built in up there. So you've got the stereo system here to the right, some storage, and of course your TV built in there as well. Now this unit as it sits today has just over 12,000 kilometers on it. In absolutely great condition. It's a 2016. Again, you'd never know by looking at it. No scratches, dings, nicks. It's in absolutely showroom condition. So we'll head towards the back of the coach. On the left-hand side here, you can see nice wood grain finish to the two-way fridge. So you've got a propane electric combo fridge. As you pass through, you can see your controls here, conveniently located, including some light switches to the right. We'll pass through into the bedroom, and I'll turn back and take a quick look at the bathroom space. So on this side, you've got a foot flush porcelain toilet. Good counter space, some storage above for linens. And on this side, 3-panel glass sliding door for the shower with a skylight. Really opens things up, and a good pass-through space for the bathroom as a whole. Stepping back, you do have a sliding pocket door for the bedroom to create some privacy in the back area as well. Here's your walk-around queen bed. Storage above. You've got sconces on either side. The two-way shade there on the window, so that's now in night mode. You pull that up, there's a more of a gauzy finish to it. It's going to allow a little bit more light in. Of course, you can put the whole thing up and just let the sunlight come on in. There's that rear window. Really opens things up in the bedroom, makes it a nice big cozy feel in here. And then you've got your wardrobe station here too. So you've got the TV built in, wardrobes on either side, as well as 3 drawers to keep all your items with you while you're camping. And really just a great bedroom space as a whole. We'll walk right into the back here so you can get a better view of the whole space. So folks, this has been a quick look at 2016's Concord by Coachmen 300 TS. Beautiful 3-slide motorhome here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales. Come on in and see us, folks. We've got a great selection of motorized units right now. Snowbird season is upon us. This would certainly be a nice, comfortable way to get yourself down to Florida if that's where you're headed this winter. If not, you're just thinking about camping in the spring or even doing some fall camping. We're still renting our motorhomes. We still have all kinds of people out enjoying the fall camping here in New Brunswick, watching the leaves turn, so there's all kinds of camping opportunities left. Come on in and see us. Leisure Time Sales, Chris Bam Sis, our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton also have some great choices for you. Hope to see you, folks.